And we are live. Hello, 3D RCNC. How are you doing, sir? Just using my... So, hey, hello. If it was correct, during the waiting, you have seen a video playing. Did that happen? Or did see some other changes in the meantime? Bum, bum, ba-da, ba. So yeah, it was a very busy day again today at my work, as almost every time. Hey Michael, how are you doing, sir? Welcome to the live stream. Yeah. Usually when is that on the part when when the stream is going on, then you will get an ad. But during waiting before 9:30. Hey program, how are you doing? How are you doing, sir? Welcome to the live stream. I bought myself, you know, last time when I was doing the live stream, I had problems with my stripper tool, or my, how do you call that in English? This thing. You know, when I was doing something, nothing? Okay, so I need to make sure that everything is in order. What are you calling program? Maybe we are just like Neo, you know, floating somewhere attached to a huge column kind of thing, and we are all providers for power for the machine. Wire stripper, that's the correct one. When I was using this last week, I was doing something and it suddenly who would have thought that? Okay, so something inside of this wire stripper broke. Jupiter brain. Yeah, maybe we are in a galaxy far away, and we are thinking we are on Earth and we are trying to go to Mars or something like that. But something inside of this wire stripper broke, and because of that I could use it, but a little bit harder. So I bought a new one. This is a one that is fancier. I don't know if you ever saw one of these. I think CoreXY does. But this one is looking amazing, and I can also use it to crimp some stackers. some connectors, that what we did last week. Not font either of those side. Which one do you like? If I'm in the matrix, just pull the plug already. Oh really? Yeah. But I was testing it. I do need to say, I'm happy with the result. So I found this little wire laying around somewhere. So I thought, well, before the stream starts, just test it out, you know. Steak ones? You know, send me a picture, then over on Twitter direct messages. Then I can see which kind of stripper tool you are using. If I can call it stripper tool. And I have noticed that, you know, during the day I don't need to wear glasses, only when I need to read something. I think that's a part of getting older, I guess. So, put the wire in there. Let's see how he does this kind of ones. Ooh. Ooh. Cool. Yeah. Let's see if I can get it smaller as well. No, that didn't work. I don't want it. Yeah. But these are made for people with big hands. Hey Bob, how are you doing? It's hell to get all but beats the alternative. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what should I say about it? True. So I can also turn it away, something like that. I do need to say I do like it. Yeah. Better than what I tried to do the other times. So today, wiring of the Voron V0.1 according to the instructions. Yeah, as you know, I also have a artillery sidewinder X2 standing close by, but I need to check when I'm going to do the unboxing and build of the in one live stream. So yeah, pretty big box. Can use it as a little table next to the other printers that are on the other side. The Anycubic Viper that is standing there, it's printing almost constantly those kind of things. Because many of my colleagues are addicted to one of these. By the way, this is a filament from extruder. But just look at that shine. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's looking amazing. So 8 people currently watching. Thank you all for joining in this Zachary 3D prints live stream on the Friday evening or during the day, depending on where you are living. Most of the people that live in the US, good afternoon. If it is not evening, here it's oh cool, thank you. Here it's 21:41, yeah, or 9:41 p.m. I guess. So I'm going to watch it. Really? Those? Huh. So crutch do like these more. Yeah, yeah, you are more professional in stripping wires than I am, but I can imagine that these work more efficient than the one that I'm using here. So. Oh, cool. The orange came in the kit. Use the tiny wires. Cool. Amazing. The blue one is the universal one. You use it for everything else. Oh yeah, I would do that. I would do the same thing. To find, I think, hey non-fam, welcome. Hello. I don't know if it is a typical guy thing, but if we can use one specific tool for doing a lot of things, we would do that, right? We are guys, come on. I mean, I wouldn't try to use this as a hammer. Also not this thing, because, you know, it's a measuring tool, better not to do that. But, you know, the backside of a screwdriver can also be used as a hammer. If it works, but yeah, well. Yeah, exactly. And that is the thing. I see them everywhere, but maybe I should use it more to, you know, get more handy in it. But yeah, I try to avoid. I see them everywhere, but for some reason I keep avoiding it. Just ask Ivan about hammers. Yeah, he's more of the spacers and the big wrenches and screwdrivers. Currently also with water or air umbrellas. I did see that video. It's amazing. It's fun. It's fun to watch. These videos are not boring. So yeah, it does work. So nice. Yeah. So these will be adjusted. The only thing that I can adjust is this yellow thing to even go further. But I don't know why I should not use that. You know. But it's great. I'm happy with it. It was 25 euros. I don't know what those things costing in the United States. I think 20 or $30 or so. So I still have some computer cables. I did try to also measure them as well. These are 0.81. So I think the AWG18. So these I can also use in different kind of projects. These are pretty long, so if needed, I know where to find it. Yeah, but you know, I mean, I do like the idea. It's amazing. Something totally different for once. Now, I don't mean about the video from Ivan itself, but I mean, you know, walking in the rain with an umbrella, but he has a jet engine powered air umbrella. So, pretty neat. So, I think let's start. Something like that. The issue I have with your choice is the grips insulating instead of cutting it. But dude, if carry on, I have no issue. Yeah. Yeah, and especially if you do more electronics, I think, yeah, cool. So I do have a lot of crimper as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it today, but if I show this, this is the part where we are going to continue hooking up the power supply unit with the DC to DC converter for the Raspberry Pi. And also the length of the wires are mentioned here by the previous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, oh yeah, my Dutch. I also put on the front side. I put some new feet. Hey Jerry, how are you doing, sir? Welcome to the live stream, man. You had some very nice prints I saw this week on Twitter. Oh, you have this one? This is crimper number 5. Now number 5, not the dance, but this is crimper number 5. I bought several to be able to crimp some electronic, like the connectors from these. So, but now I have a crimper for every kind of job there is possible. Yeah, thank you. So the wiring I can use from the one that I bought, but I can also use the computer wire instead. So last time we connected the power inlet with the new bought power supply unit, the 150, the LDR 150, I guess. Oh, wow. Okay, okay, I understand that. But at this moment, for just the normal electronic wires for 3D printers, I think this stripper does work, right? So we are going to continue. Does it say? It doesn't say how long the wire should be. So we are going to make an estimate. So I am going to try to flip the printer on its side so that also this camera here is going to show it. I didn't take the opportunity to take the camera that is on that one here to put here. If the light for some reason is too low, please let me know, okay? Try to make more light here, but then it will illuminate my head. I don't want to be in that kind of spotlight. Oh. Just having some fun on a Friday evening. Everybody who just joined, welcome. How are you doing, Jerry? I want to join your live stream as well on the Saturday, but sometimes I'm watching together with my wife some movies. Some quality time is also needed. Zip ties, a guy's best friend, I guess. The box with some other things, also the cool fins for the board, for the SKR Mini E3 V2. So we are going to flip it on its side. What I can do, Wait. Because I need to see what I'm doing, but I also want to show you guys what I'm doing. If I take this camera and put it somewhere. We have a lot of mosquitoes in the house. Mosquito in the house. If I pull this like that, can I move it like that? Can I do it? It's not too dark, right? Yeah. Something like that. It's enough light. I don't think this is going to work. Hello, is it me you looking for? Oh, I got some room here. And you got the water. So I hope really? Wow. So I am going to see if I can add the other camera. So this view you already saw, but can I add this one too? So I can place it here. Oh, what he wants to see my stomach. Maybe I can switch it around. Just a second. Would that work as well? Because we can lower this. Oh, man, that lamp is bright. Oh, this a little bit more. So a little bit more light here. No, that's too. Yeah. Chat box I put out. And I put this one over here. Just move it around a little bit. Something like that. What do you guys think? I have one huge mosquito. What end? So I don't need. So I think that this can work, right? Huh? But officially, no. Yeah, because officially this is the screen for my unboxing. Make it nice. Make it pleasant to watch. Something like that. No. Come on. So, something like that. So, now, let's do something. Come on. I'm playing too much. Ugh. Now my big head is in the way, of course, like usual. It's the usual suspect. Ooh. No. So, yeah. So let's take some red wires and connect them. They don't specifically say that you have to use some connectors that you can attach it. So, yeah. I know that I have. There's in this kit is a little bag somewhere, a little bag with okay, this is for the main board. Nope. Is it this? No, it's not. Ba-da-bum, pum, 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 pum. McDonald 84. Yo, yo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, fine. Okay, so I'm not going to bother it to look for it. I also noticed that because the feet of the Voron is a little bit higher, I also need to reprint these, because these are not going to fit. And that makes me so sad. I could try to use them. Yeah. 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 I could do that. Because this is carbon fiber PETG. I'm not going to throw it away. What a... My gosh, I'm looking in the wrong corner. Also try to keep the stream a little bit entertaining. So I actually can reuse this. Yeah. Yes, I can. Don't want to reprint them because carbon fiber PETG, it's 50 euro for one spool, so I'm not going to do that. Have fun juggling of several. The fun of juggling several 1080p sources into a 720p window? Wait, is this just 720? No way. Video output. Output. Stream. Oh no, really? Can I not change that? Oh wow. So the stream is 720p. Good that I know that, because I want to stream at 1080p. Output streaming. Yeah, of course I cannot change it anymore. So I really need to figure this thing out, because I was looking a few days ago. I was rewatching the stream of last week, and I found it weird to see that the quality wasn't that great. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm learning here as well. So I need to change it someday after the stream ends. So okay, yeah, juggling around with the 1080 screens in a 720 stream. So wiring, come on, let's do this, Zach. Oh yeah. So I have this computer cable. I can use that, but like mentioned, I'm going to use the one that I bought. Where are those? I especially bought them. They don't say how long the wire should be, like mentioned, so I'm going to wild guess it, I guess. So I'm going to put this a little bit higher. Because if I move this a little bit to the back, you don't see anything. So it needs to be visible, right? 6 people watching, 2 likes. So let's start with the black wire, because I'm holding that. First, going from here to... These are pretty stiff, right? Oh well. It should be... Hello. There's a metal wire in it. It's a stiff wire. It's a decent wire. I hope you can see this, of course. So I think it's a decent wire. So no, I'm using Streamlabs. So I'm also going to try the crimp function on this one to see how decent that works. Oh, yeah, at this moment I cannot change it during the live stream, but for upcoming streams. But I never knew that. I never knew. Hello, box with the... How would you call these kind of connectors? Do they have a special name? Will they fit in there? No, they won't. So, okay, the color of this is red, but I'm going to use it on a black wire. Hashtag, not trying to be confused. So, which one to take? Okay, I'm not sure about this one. So I'm going to grab the other one that is here. Or do I have one link in there? Yeah, spade connections. What do you mean exactly? Oh, to my question. Sorry, Bob. Yeah, I see what you mean. Spade connections, because this metal thing that you are going to attach to some screw connector. Yeah, those are working nice. Checking if the male, female spades, forks, eyelets, chonker ones. And what is the purpose of these? Connecting one wire with another wire and then crimp it together? Something like that. Spade. Forks, yeah, okay, forks, I understand, I see. Butt splice, barrel splice. So that one is done. So we are going to, why not, connect it directly. So that's the 24 volts part. And this one goes into the minus. So again to work. Yeah, I see and understand why. Yeah, like you can see, I used some duct tape to keep the wires close to the plate to have it nice. Oh, cool. Cool. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel from CoreXY's wife, feel free to do. Awesome videos. So we take a red wire. Also trying to, I don't know how they did this, but the black wire was nicely rolled into the back, but the other one was, I don't know what he did. Yeah, something like that. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum. Yeah, and also need to be careful with the water by my thing. Oh, this I'm so, at least I'm happy with this. And especially if you have to crimp a lot of wires, would be handy. I would call this a handy tool. Not only is it handy, but you are using with your hands. If you're happy, you clap your hands. Yeah, I was thinking about to do a live stream with the unboxing, first print from the artillery, but then I thought, come on, finish the Voron for once. Any plans for the weekend, you guys? Doing something with 3D printer or without 3D printing? I try to do something on the attic because a lot of appointments during the weekend, 2 birthday parties, so yeah, it's going to be nice. One of them is from my mother. Damn it. Sorry. Yeah, I really want to check if I cannot pull the cable or the wire out of the connector. So what I was thinking, which kind of connector are they going to use for the Pi? Huh. Yeah, better safe than sorry. I totally agree. Every time I want to check if it is decent, and like mentioned, this one came off. Hey, Carl. Yeah, we will find out. something like that. I've seen them pull out before when an expensive tool was used. Oh my gosh. Oh, that would be terrible. There's a little bit tension on it. I don't like that. So what I do, I'm going to do it like that. Yeah. Now it will stay, I hope. Something like that. So that was that part. Should tell you about the time a bad crimp could have killed me. Ooh. Yeah, you can. Feel free to do, man. So, and also going from the board, go from the power supply unit to the board. Is there some hole that I can use? Hello, wife.
Hi. All right.
The wife is in the house, people. Mrs. Z3DP is there. So what I'm going to...
Hey Google, lamp 4 uit.
Hey Max, how are you doing? Oh, you didn't know? Wow. Maybe you should turn off. Maybe you should turn on the post notifications to always on. Crutch says, "Hi, Zachary's wife,"
Hello.
and she says, "Hello back." So I'm thinking about it to see if I can put the wires from here through here. I don't know if it is a good or a bad idea. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's just hitting the bell. Because, yeah, there are some YouTube channels where I'm subscribed to. When, for example, NSF, NASA Spaceflight, is going to do a sudden live stream, I will get 30 minutes before the live stream starts. I get a notifications in 30 minutes live, and then the title of that stream. So I'm grabbing 2 forks. Not that I'm hungry, but I grab some forks. So all the way from the board to the terminal. So I think that should be enough. So I think the wiring is going over here, this part. So I think that should be nice. And to get the same length for the other wire, oh, you almost reported me. What was the what was the acquisition? No, accusation. Oh my gosh. So let's see how, oh, ah! Oh gosh. It's going to be very interesting. Ah. Yes, to 1 pins DuPont connector. Well, we suggest you power the Raspberry Pi via GPIO pins. You may also power it using the power in USB port. Got a suitable USB cable. Suitable? That is a power in USB port. Power in? Is there something like a power in? Oh yeah, that one here on the side. I can use that too. Oh, I'm going to do that then. I am going to do that too. By the way, how is it going with the wiring? Wiring is going good. I try, yeah, well, don't pay attention to the duct tape, but I don't want to have wires hanging loose, you know. So, is the fiber straight? Well, the wire, it's not a massive, it's not a massive, what's it called? Massive? It's not a massive core, it's just wires, but these are not as flexible as the ones that I have, for example, here. These are from an old computer power supply unit, and these are, yeah, they can also bend, but these flex right back, and these ones maybe as well. Okay, so let's get to the wire stripping. Get the just like that. Whoop. Stay. That is. Let's get stripping, boys. Me and boys. I would wonder how a man's cave from a nerd will look like. Can already imagine. Some electronic projects. I don't know if you watched Colin Fuse, something like that. He has an awesome man cave. Very awesome. So only think about it to put on one side the fork connector, fork spade, stranded wire. Oh, good. Hey, wire, what happened to you? I got stranded. Sorry. You know, having a little man's party, you know, with stripping wires and hooking up Arduinos and making robots. I think that would be very nice. Playing some PlayStation games in the meantime. Drinking beer. No, only one side. Give me one side. Give me one side. Yeah. First, yeah. Did you also saw the underground bunker, the tunnel to his man cave, bunker, house? Yeah, but also on the way he designed it or how he is making it, it's clean. It's very clean. I love it. Not making any commercial, but ba-da-ba-ba-ba. You got the. But I think there is going a lot of time in it because when was the last time he posted a video? Yeah, Max, also, yeah, and with his catapult, I don't know the English name of that thing that he also built, you know, slingshotting a car into the air. He took a break from it. Oh, yeah, I can imagine. Just imagine how much dirt that comes out of something like that. Yeah, exactly, courage. He just into the conversation. Oh, Colin first. Yeah, oh, it's amazing. Some wire stripping, some wire cutting. It wouldn't be weird if I tried to put it inside of one of those extrusions to guide it. Hey tripod, greetings! Yeah, better. He makes awesome things. Also the turbojet engine propelled bicycle. I mean, and he makes everything from scratch. That's insane. Everybody can still see what I'm doing. Yeah. Of course, I can understand if you cannot see it because my hands are in the way. So also checking here. Yeah. Tight. It's tank, yes. Oh, I didn't know. Did he also make a tank? I know the hacksmith, where he is also friends with, under the engineers on YouTube. He also, yeah, that one I need. Cool. That's the hacksmith is working on the power loader. Yeah, pulse jet bicycle. I do need to say, it was crazy. Give me your... So, okay, that works. So I need to see how these connectors work. I don't know, but for some reason, when you turn it, screw it in, the terminal on the board side, I always have the idea that you have to tighten it, but I saw somebody doing it some different kind of way. I don't like it like this. I want to have it nice. I want to have it nice. But I can have it nice. I can. No. I don't know if I can do this. It's my machine, it's my printer, I can do whatever I want. So knees wiring. Hop. Take the tension off like that. Beep beep beep. So according to the instructions, the ones on the right side are the ones for the 24 volts power supply. So first on the right side comes the red wire, on the left side is the black wire coming. So let's do that. Yeah, I'm not from a cable mess, so I always want to have clean cable management. My field feed broke. Ooh. Diddy. So clean wiring, I always like that. By the way, did you see also this guy on Twitter with the very clean wiring? It's nice. I love that. You can always wake me up for something like that. We have some nice cable wiring. Get up, get up. On the TT's latest view. So that part is done. Now, in the meantime, we're also going to add the bed thermistor and the print bed. Here it says 2 times 1 millimeter squared AWG 18 or larger. Well, So I think this is looking amazing. I don't want to cut it too short. That's going to happen anyways. Knowing myself. Several people don't know, don't understand. No, wait. Wait, who's teaching text latest video? Several people don't understand all there is to know about power. What do you mean, crutch? I mean, also using not using the right thickness for a wire for your power. Is that what you mean? I'm sure don't need too much wire. The point of no return. So now we are going to find out how this wire stripper is going to perform on this one. So I need a little bit more of that. So double insulation you were talking about, crutch. So we will see how this is going to be handled. Just a question. How you know that when this is plus or this is minus? How do you know? Yeah, Streamlabs is the bot of the of this channel. He's monitoring, but also sometimes sending reminders for people that just are new to this channel. Like mentioned, feel free to do a super chat. It's not needed. Supporting this channel by just watching or also liking this video would help quite a lot. En trusten, lieve schat. So hold the wire tight. Crutch, thank you very much for the $5 US. But yeah, that is a super chat. But I mean, you can do chatting without paying any money. It's not per se needed, but it will support the channel. Thank you, Crutch. So with a little bit of help from my hands, this stripper also can strip these thicker wires, those thicker wires, with some, I don't know what kind of insulation is over it, but it does work. Hey Kieran, how are you doing? Hello. you, Max, just chatting is all you can do. It's fun. I like interaction. I like interaction with the people, and I try to talk as less as possible during my normal videos because people want to see the things, not me talking about the things. But then again, if you don't say anything, what are you saying? Sending in super chat 0.001 US dollars, and then YouTube takes something, will be 0.00005 or something. So I'm going to grab my other handy tool. Yeah, I also somewhere it's maybe saying about no, I turned it off last time. Yeah, I'm this kind of guy. I don't like those strings sticking out, so I'm using the soldering iron to you know, I don't know which kind of type of insulation this is. Rope, wire. Of course, of material that is more heat resistant. What am I doing? Yeah, I do need to say this for if you are using some metal inserts for the ones that are here, for example, this one is working nicely because there's, as you can see, little oh my gosh, come on camera, there's a little edge around it that is perfect. I used it several times. Nice, nice. So I think that this would be looking good enough. I tried to see if I can put the wiring like this and then going through there. Because I don't have any. I have to clean up sometime after the stream. Yeah. Dee 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 dee. La 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 la. La 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 la. You got the work. So first we are going to do this. I am not sure how this is going to look like. Come inside. Whoop. You got the way. Da, 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 da. Now trying to get just a little bit back. Then trying to fit this around that here. Yeah, I talk quite a lot to myself, and I ask myself why, oh why. You still can see this? Nice. Hey, Mr. Maker, what's up? Fancy soldering iron, yeah. You can buy Mr. Maker. You can buy it by the action, and you know exactly which kind of shop I mean. I ask myself why are steels pretty long, right? Should I make it shorter? Because I have plan D. D D D D D D D D D D. So, and then hold it very tight against here, and then yeah, I don't have a fire lighter here. Ah, oh, brother, we fully understand each other. I'm always also looking for that next thing over there to buy from the action that I can actually need for 3D printing. You have some tips? Yeah, I can one time I can do one 360 stream, but the thing is I'm here in my living room and I can show a little bit of my living room, but that would be yeah, maybe not so smart idea. Nobody wants to see all the stuff. Sometimes people say to take fluff out of your video. Okay, let's take some fluff out of my video then. This dude has too much fluff in this video. Yeah, is that a problem, sir? So, you got a soldering station? From the action? Wow. I also have a weakness for IKEA. Nothing happens, okay, Crutch? Oh, the Aldi. Ali. Did you buy it before or after the insane import fees nonsense? I mean, it's crazy. It's. I mean, serious guys. We are hardworking people. We are trying to make the living. So these wires are looking more beefier than these. Maybe I'm going in a future time period, I'm going to change those for thicker ones. Yeah, AliExpress. Before I got it like 3 years ago. Okay. Yeah, they do. They make those. I mean, the people that are making these kind of laws and taxes and every other crazy thing that costs us money, they don't use it themselves. I mean, hey, I buy a lot of things from out of China. Let's make a rule that the import fees has to go over a certain amount of money. You know, I'm digging an hole for myself. But then, yeah, it's I think lobbying. So this. I don't know if I do this correctly, but I don't want to have too much wires going over this edge here because I'm going to get crazy about it. Right? Oh yeah. And the guy who actually started the whole Brexit thing, it's not there anymore. I didn't do that long. Huh. And let's try that again. Yeah. Oh, I couldn't say what. Still plenty, but okay, it will do. It will do. It must be done. Oop. Allez. Oop. Simple looking crimping tool. Angry. Whoop. 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 Yeah, okay. Sorry. Play moment is over. I know. It's worse than you see. Oh, really? What is girth? What's that? Yeah, you know, because I'm looking at it, looking simple, you know. Yeah. Just being myself. One time I was watching a video, a live stream video, a rewatch of a live stream from Thomas Sandlander, and he was building his Cologne i3 MK3 3D printer or MK2, and when he was working on the bed frame, he said the smashed frog or the mask on the extruder part. I think it was hilarious. So now I need to find my now it didn't drop. No. Oh no. Dupont. No. Oh my gosh. Really? Guys, just say something about it. So I cleaned it up and I put it somewhere that I cannot reach. Whoop. So this is the one that came with the Voron kit. So let's use that one. I don't know what happened to the other one. It's laying around somewhere, I guess. Woo. We will see, right guys? Maker Viking. Howdy, sir. How was this standing? No. I was sitting like this, and then this came to here. Oh my gosh. So, I think this works. Not too bad, Zachary. I'm doing fine. So I'm making some weird faces once in a while. Woo, woo. Yeah, I know it's very cheesy. But maybe you like it. How is your beauty coming together? Your 3D printer, I mean. I had to do that. Oh la la la. So we how is this going to be opened? Yeah. This is somewhere in sticker. How is the audio? Yeah, it's open. Yeah. I don't have any space on the desk anymore. Ah, cool. I'm going to check. I'm going to check the audio. I'm going to audio. La, da, 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 da. Now the audio is good again. Oh well, it was oh, thank you. I'm checking it here from my side. I'm checking it here from my side. Nobody wants to see my stomach. I'm checking it here from my side. Nobody wants to see my stomach. I'm checking it here from my side. Nobody wants to see my stomach. I'm checking it here from my side. Nobody wants to see my stomach. So, okay. You can hear that the sound starts okay, and then you will hear the echo, and then you will hear it again. But over the time, you will hear that the audio is getting worse and worse. Beatbox? No, I'm not going to do a beatbox. Oh, you actually hear me singing a bit? Oh my gosh. I thought the microphone was not working well enough, so I thought, who cares? Ooh. I'm really curious how good these are. There was, how is that song called? Yeah, because I cannot sing too much, because, you know, demonetized. Oh, those little lips on the backside. Oh, those are terrible. Crimping. Here we go again. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, you. Oh, is he called Monster? Okay. Yeah, Mr. Maker, see you in the next one. So these seem a little bit different than the ones that I... Hey, Anne, how you doing, sir? No, these were standoffs. Oh, dang. Dang it, dang it, ding, 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 ding. Bum, 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 bum. So... but very nice that you are here. Well appreciated. Nice. Nope. 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 New stripper, yeah. The one that cannot decide if it is surprised or angry. Oh, maybe angry surprised. Who would? So that was one. It's nice that when crimping is going well, I also see sometimes people doing like this. Yeah, crimping is something that you need to learn, probably. Let's see how that works. Just one click. Oop. So it does. Isn't supposed to go flaky. Still report times. So this one is well, and they will go into the first or the second one here. Something like that. So the first 3 wires are connected with a board. But wait, there's going to be more. Huh? There! Stepper motors, yeah. I was thinking, because I use from a wire that came in this kit, I use the wires with some stepper motors, with some end stops attached to it. But those wires are pretty thick, so I was thinking, oh yeah, of course, the printer should be connected with a small... But did I get something like that? So, okay, let's continue. We will see what happens. We are 1 hour 47 minutes in the live stream. 7 people watching, 9 likes. Thank you for all of that. By the way, I earlier tried to chat. Somehow I got demonetized for 2 minutes. Yeah. Just a second. Just reading the chat. Check. New stripper. Yeah, it's a nice one. This was 25 euros. Can have a surprise face and also a angry face depending on how you will strip the wire. 11 likes. Well, I got 10 here, but I do like it. Oh well, I have a new build sticker for it in stock. Oh wait. I killed a print surface yesterday. Oh my gosh, you did? Thought it will print with a brim, but a little too close. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't want to give any spoilers, but I'm going to do it anyways. This kind of one? Yeah, it says Stanley, maybe because of the branding, I don't know. But the thing is that the other one that that broke last week, that one was €5 or something. But I thought I saw this hanging on the shelf, and I was like, I want to have something like this, because you know, you put the wire in, you strip it, and it's easy. Not that guessing how much you can take off. I wanted to do so. On this side, that one, that is motor A. So this one is going on the top here. So that's good to know. So then we are going to attach that wire. Finally, we are going to attach some stepper motors to the board. It's getting more power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can twist the wire a little bit. So this is oh, it's very stiff wire. I see also, I don't know who it was, but I saw somebody using a drill to actually twist it, but yeah, I agree. Crutch. Hey kids! Go. Yeah, I also can use a fire lighter to do something like that. Yeah, I do like some nice. Going in the right direction. Well, what is going on, Chad? What's going on? So now to see how I can route the wires without having too much wires around here. Oh. Oh. Top one. Oh my gosh, come on. So that wire is also loose from stepper motor B is going to be, yeah. So the motor is like here. I almost would say like I'm going to cut it off and then put it in there. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to take some zip ties. What? Yeah, come on. Yep. So something like that, because the stepper motor is going to be touched here, so something like that. So further, then we have the Z motor. We do have a cable for that one. Somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow. Wake up high. Yeah, right. I always wonder sometimes the lines. Yeah. He's going to the stage. If I ever want to change the wires of the end stops, I have plenty of wire. Somehow I have the feeling to actually do that, but I'm not 100% sure if I want to do that now, at this moment. It is very look at that. Here's the stepper motor. And this one is already twisted. How twisted is that? So then should I also going to use that hole? Another twist. Yeah, basically what I can do, if everything is going to work well, and I'm happy with it, I can always shorten the wires. Yeah, I'm doing it like that. No matter what you do, Zach, as long as the spare parts in the end, you know, you did it right. You know, I have plenty spare parts because it's a Voron V0.0 kit, and I'm now building that. So I think I have at least 2 or 3 stepper motors left, because that one was changed and also that one, so 2. I have a power supply unit left over. I also have a bed heater. I'm not sure if I'm going to want to use that one, because you know who, you know what. I'm going to make this a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut this part away. I'm going to take a new one, because hey, I have zip ties, I can do that. Now, what do they say about spare parts? Yeah, I've got a bed heater. A bed heater. I know my Dutch sometimes is kicking in. Bed heater. So, that is looking nice. But I want to keep it like that. I think that looks great. I have spares for everything on my printer, apart from a power supply unit, X, Y, and Z steppers. To build another Voron. Yeah, with 100, what was it? With this 100 watt power supply, what I can do, I have a Z3DP and I have a Anycubic. Both printers don't have a heated bed. I might can use it. Bird weather. I thought that is my thermistor. A hot end upgrade, swapped it, and found just a partially on power running cable. I was at the Micron. So I have a USB. So USB to USB that is going to be connected. And I also need to connect the end stop, so that is also something that I can do. So end stop for the Z axis is over here, and for the Y end stop, is that an Y end stop? Oh, where's the Y end stop? I didn't see it. Oh. But oh, this one over here. Yeah. Found it. It's a V2 using parts for the was there also a wire provided in it? I have so much stuff here in this box. I'm moving things around again, just for the fun of it. But, okay, these are all with I'm getting crazy of this stupid thing. I don't know what exactly happened or what it actually would be. It's not a yo-yo. Maybe we can make something of it. Just for the heck of it. Just for the heck of it. Oh, I can do something like this. Trust me. Oh my gosh. This is going to be terrible. Yeah. 3DP fandom. What? Max, I don't understand anything you're saying. So everybody is wondering, Zach, why are you doing that? It's no use, it has no purpose. Well, actually it can be full of purpose. You can watch and see how I do this. Because in the end I will put it in a bag and I don't have this thing laying all over and giving me some bad time. Yeah, yes, I'm also going to use some zip ties to keep it all nice in place before it will again. They should put something like this in a little bag so that it won't. Yeah, true. That is true word spoken there, Max. Is it called a VORZ? I have an idea where this band is for, and I think it has to do with the acrylic panels, which I still need to print the clips for it. But mine will be different because I still need to find the pieces for a top for the actual hat. Hey, good night, Anna. Well, thank you for being here. It's awesome. Oh, by the way, are you also going next week to the Makers Fair? Eindhoven. I will be there on Saturday. I try to see if it is possible for me to be there on Sunday as well. Oh yeah, you are in the northern part of the Netherlands, yeah. Yeah, for me it's just 1 hour drive. Oh, here we go. Ugh. What? Where? Just like that. By the way, if you're ever up to Try printing a 3D printer with the technology of yeah. Is that also a thing? How thick how thick should the nozzle be? Yeah, I've tried to put it in there. One centimeter? Yeah, what if 3D printing existed way more earlier than what we know now? Try to get the curls out a little bit more. Back in the days, the only way to store memory was in diodes and radio tubes and data. Degrade due power fluctuation. It's a concrete nozzle. So I try to put it on here, put a little bit more tension on it. Almost done. The original 3D prints. GPUs. So now completely wind it. Yeah, almost. Almost done. Now, because this insulation or foam or thing, I did move several times, and it made me mad a little bit. Now it's more the tension because of the bag. Because I don't need it now at this moment, so cleaned up. Yeah. What was I looking for again? Oh, it's not a bag. Oh yeah, USB cable, because I can remember that somewhere there was a USB cable. Oh, black wire. Hey, my other clipper. Nuts. So I have here some DuPont connectors. No idea why. And also, yeah, those. So, but as you can see, yeah, reflexes, man. I've got them. So I don't see any USB cable here. I can use one that I have laying around here. Of course, the wrong one. Oh. I need to check that later on. No, I must do it now, because it is required in the step. Oh my gosh. I do have them, right? Oop. I know for the control. Oh, really? I know that I have laying a wire somewhere with exactly the right length. But of course, like always, if you need it, you cannot find it. Duh. It's the law of physics. If you need it, you don't find it. If you don't need that, you will see it every single time. Except for the one time that you want to have it. So, I need to grab that thing. By the way, in 1916 there were whole cards and stuff. If you manage to make a reader clock work, I guess you'll be able to make some. Oh, cool. So I'm going to grab something to drink, and also I'm going to see if I am able to get this kind of USB connector that I need between my Arduino and the Raspberry and the SKR. And also I need to drink something. So, oh wait, okay, waiting here. Of course. For the P machine, yeah. Oh, if you are wondering, there's the big box. Living room, kitchen. So, now you saw that part too. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Well, where is my USB cable? I'm thinking about it. Shouldn't be standard in the kit as well. At least if you are buying a kit. Of course, need to refill the water. Where did I see the cable for last time? So, getting the USB wire. Oh, I see one here, but it's way too long, of course. Where? It's also not here. crimper, another crimper, zip ties. Oh, no. Who else has a tray with all stuff in it? That isn't that wire. Ugh, really? Really? Come on. Ba, 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 bum, bum, bum. Also not rare. Weird. People are still watching me searching for the ultimate thing. Wait. I need to be very careful here. So, I knew it was somewhere on my desk. So, we are back on the stream. If you look in the pop left. Yeah. There are from those USB cables that are, I think, this short, you know. And in this case, it's all you need, basically. So, I'm going to make it short. The cable, I mean. So, I'm going to put it in there. And then here I'm going to make it into... But by the way, not all USB cables like these are data cables. So if you bought a soldering iron, for example, because it uses the same kind of connector, then it's just a cable to charge it, not with any data. Taking two zip it ties. If you knew why if you knew Yeah, because there, I I have some. I have some laying around, and back in the early days of the channel, I think I have 4 or 5 of those short cables. I don't know why I have them. I hope I'm not going to regret this kind of decision. I'm not going to cut the wire, but I want to manage it like that, that the wires are not going to annoy it. Oh, handy. Biddy bim bim. Ba-dum boom boom. I got popcorn. Do you have popcorn in your eyes? Fancy light fixture, yeah. Yeah. I mean, the one that I'm using right here, this one, is, does have this camera attachment point, you know. So for my sometimes Twitch streams that I want to use this camera as a webcam, I'll be using that. You know, duct tape, zip ties. In this case, I didn't use zip ties, duct tape. I do use zip tie, by the way. But if I use duct tape on here, the glue on the duct tape will ruin the shaft. So. Fluffs. You can count how many zip ties that I did use. So, da, 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 da. 4 people watching. Am I boring? What are you guys' plans for this weekend? I have 2 birthday parties. One is tomorrow in the afternoon. The other one is Sunday in the afternoon. I hope to get some time to also do some other task that really needs to be done. Ethic. So. Yeah. So we are going to stick a USB in here, but yeah, so this ain't going to work. So I'm going to remove this and put it a little bit more to that side, because this ain't working. Do I? Yeah. Well, let's try to get it off the plate without breaking it. Where is the other one? Ah, there. So I noticed that with the Raspberry Pi, I don't know if it have to be oriented like that. So something like that. We are going to attach it one more time again, but now with a little bit more space. Now come on. Da, da, da. I'm wondering on the Maker Faire how many people would be there with a Voron. Mr. Maker, are you also going to the Maker Faire? Yuppie. So this we are going to move a little bit more higher. So we have for the USB, we have a decent connection without being in the way of the it's a little bit crooked. No. So they said that the micro SD card should be reachable. Oh no. Wait. Oh, cool. Why doesn't it fit? Sorry. I'm going to switch over to another display because nobody wants to see my big head. Laten we wat drinken, want er is voor anders aan de hand. I'm so used to the USB micro, and I forgot the other USB type connector. I don't know which kind of cable that is. And now I'm wondering, would I have that one as well? Would I have that one as well? Na na. No, don't close it because or else I would not be able to. Need to check something. Ba 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 bum. What a bright idea, Zachary. Well done. Why didn't you think about that sooner? Say my name, say my name. I was looking all over it and Yeah, exactly like that. 3D RCNC. Look, it was almost fitting, you know? It was almost fitting. Why doesn't it fit? Yeah, duh. It's a different thing. Gosh, really? All the pain and misery? Oh my gosh. And I was like, I know that there is somewhere a USB cable. The board has always standard a USB connector. Now I need to fit it in there. Yeah. Or maybe other way around. So if you're come on, how is this? Why does it look that this Hey Max, see you later, man. Thanks for hanging out here. I hope it was very pleasant. I hope the double-sided tape is strong enough to you know, hold the forces. So this is strong. This seems also to be strong. Okay. So now the Y and Z end stop. So this is for the I hope I'm not going to get any problems with the switching. So like mentioned, okay, so this is, I need to, I need a little bit more wire. And then I used the yellow wire as trash. So we are getting there. So just like that. Now the crimping. I got a message from my watch to watch it on the something like that. So we so I've noticed it worked better when using the iron strip on it, but at the other hand it is more difficult to get it off. So meet me outside. But then the question comes, which one goes to which place? So you didn't say anything. 3D RCNC. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. But thanks for hanging out. Very well appreciated. Was fun. We had some good laughs. Right? Was a good stream. Ding, ding, ding. So, now the black wire. It didn't say anything? Wait. I think I have to... No, did I say that? No. No, it was fun stream. I loved it. Power on the next time? I don't know. Well, I will keep going. Maybe there are 5 people watching currently still, so I know that maybe Carl also left, I guess. So, nice. I need to see which side. Yeah, that was part 1. Yeah, it's kind of flimsy work, so sometimes I can be very silent in order to get it right. So this is the Z end stop, so that goes on the 2nd or 3rd. So, something like that. Now the other end stop wire. So this was from the Z axis. Then I need to have one for the Y axis. Okay, see you next time. We're still in the chat. Besides the chat itself. Non-fem, Carl, who's still there. So I need to make sure to have a longer piece stripped so that I have more room to play with. Oh no, fam, you are still there. How was your school this week? If you can talk about school, you are working on a special project, right? Tomorrow I will, at least for me, tomorrow, my wife and kids are going to the church and I will stay here, going to play some online game, GTA Online, having some fun. That are my plans for tomorrow evening. And when my wife gets back home, and I will be watching together with her a movie. Hey kid, you're also here. Nice. Oh. Pack squirrel. What is a pack squirrel? Squirrel. All the way and then like that. Back squirrel. Like a. Oh, you collect. Oh, yeah. Don't we, as guys, always have this kind of thing? You know something? Oh, I can throw that away, but maybe I need it. So I think you mean that, right? So those are almost equal. I have the idea that this wire is not as thick as this one. I think I took a little bit too much. No, I don't see any wires laying there. Strings. So, yeah. Oh wow, that is nice. But I think you put a lot of efforts in it, so you know. Yeah, that's way too long. So I'm going to cut it a little bit. Also a little bit. And the night is still young here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But I didn't. Yeah, before you mentioned that, I never knew that it was a real thing on some universities. Nice. Those crimps. Wait, wait. Don't. Yeah, focus, focus. Ha! Those are looking nice. Uh, I'm so happy that I now finally have a crimping tool that actually works nicely. And together with the wire stripper, nice. So yeah, you know, kids, it's been a while that been a while. You know, I have here two crimpers that also could work nicely, but you know the thing is, the orange one is the latest one that I bought, and that was the final one that was actually the right one that I needed to have. Yeah. They don't say on which side you have to put the end stop, the polarity. Oh, cool. Oh. So now, okay, so now we are going to attach even more wires. So what? You know, there's one thing that I don't understand, and that, no, of course you don't see any. So I'm looking here to this schematic. What I don't understand is the wiring from the cooling fan, the hot end cooling fan, is yeah, so we have two. Oh yeah, yeah, indeed, open and close. That is a true kit. Yes. So what I don't understand is in the schematic, the hot end cooling fan, here it says 5 volts. Which kind of fan do I have? I think I have a stronger one. So what I'm going to do, no, it needs to switch on or off. Because if I see it like this, I believe I bought a 24 volts fan. Because if I look at this, normally your parts cooling fan are connected to one of the normal JST XR RX connectors, and the hot end fan is attached to one of those screw terminals, right? Yeah, yeah. I need to check something. Where did I bought it? Yeah. Okay, so I understand because the BL Touch is 5 volts instead of 24 volts. But I'm going to check with the order that I placed which kind of fan it is. Okay, I didn't buy it there. Oh I used the same connector and a few others. Mijn bestellingen. The last time that I ordered something was PDF YouTube. No, so there I also didn't buy. Hey, Dr. Dante, how are you doing? The 0.0 and the 0.1. The 0.0 uses 24 volts, 3010. Hot end fan uses 5 volt. Yeah, I know from the hot end fan that it's always on. But the one that I have here, I did order specially. Or didn't I do that? I don't know. I don't know. I did see another fan laying here in the box. But I don't know which kind of fan that I used. I don't want to take the whole fan out of, out of there, so. Yeah, I think I used the 24 volts. Yeah, I did use it. Not that one that came in the kit because, Hey DC, how you doing? Yeah, so basically the fan I'm using a Magicstudio hot end, and I did use a 3010 fan, but because of the fan shroud, as I would say it, didn't that despairing, and somebody said to use one that you can use for the Magicstudio hot end, but after I designed or made a little change so that my fan is fitting into it, so it's looking nice. So here's the wire sticking out, so I need to get into those wires. So hello, if I see that there are new people here, welcome to the live stream. Maybe I ordered them on other place. Lector. What did I order by Lector? Sign in. Ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Order history and details. Did I order it by Lector or not? the silicone bed heater. Yep, but nope. Could it be? Oh, that is also live. Yeah, so also with, not with Lecter. I don't know how I got that fan, maybe from somewhere else. Maybe I had laying around. So I need to extend these wires, something like that. I don't know. So and when it is all done and working, will you fix it upside down to the ceiling? I might do that, but and also the idea to, you know, to do a little bit more. So yeah, yeah, I did do that, Dr. Dante. Yeah, I did redesign the extruder, yes. So the two odd ends. So something like that. No, this one you want to see. So oh, I want measurable. So here we do the same. Oh. So cutting a little bit of the insulation away, a little fluffy stuff. So this is looking good. I think I'm going to use the sleeve. Where's that little sock? Little sleeve. Oh, there it is. So that one I'm going to use. I need to yeah, the cool thing is all wires are, you know, I never understood why those wires from the fans are so short. So I really want to make a nice cable harness, cable loom, but I need to connect all of the fans together. So actually extend the wire the same length as the hot end, the heater cartridge from the hot end, also from the stepper motor. Make it a nice cable, whoop, cable boom. So that means that all of those connectors needs to be taken off. Maybe some way of connecting them. So I think I'm going to end this live stream. I hope you don't mind. If you do, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm going to extend those wires from the hot end fans or from the fans, so that it is a decent length and that I can use this cable mesh, cable harness to make it more decent, you know, because that needs to be soldered. I can do it now as well, it's no problem. Yeah, we can do that. Was 6 minutes past 1. Dan is also streaming. I want to also say hello there. So I'm going to end this live stream. My desk is a mess. So let's go to this view. So everybody who joined this live stream, thank you very much. It was a very pleasant one. We did do quite a lot with some very nice moments. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you are rewatching this live stream on another day than today on Saturday evening my time, or Friday afternoon your time, or any other day, yeah, feel free to hang out in one of these live streams. And hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. And hey, let's make awesome things with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Print. Bye bye.